welcome back. This is another vlog. This is the second part because the first one I was eating breakfast and it would have been too long, the vlog. So I'm going to go to the temple now. Mummy, I should really focus on the streets. Bro, I'm so stuffed. I just want to go to sleep, but I have some errands to run. I need to find a Nivea ka dabba, the steel one, because I don't like the plastic dabba. I don't not like the plastic dabba. I just in my head I've got it. I don't know. I like the steel. I think it's a past life thing. Maybe in my past life I like the steel dabbas. I really don't know where this conversation is going. So I'm going to the temple now. I really hope someone has given me the right directions because otherwise I'm really not in the mood to be walking. Fukatka. The birds are singing. I should have really worn pants that aren't. The pants I'm wearing are not tight, but I just ate, so now I'm like busting. No. So I'll see you all at the temple. This dog is so adorable. I stopped to ask for directions, and that was a smart thing to do. I mean, I was going straight anyways, but still. I didn't realize how difficult it was to hold a camera or a phone. My arms, bro. Okay, now we are going to cross. Look left, look right. Even if it's a one-way street, because that's what's right. Now we go left. Why am I carrying a book and a pen around? Because I want to write things sometimes. This bull is really staring at me and I'm scared. I'm not even wearing red, bull. Why are you being mean? Oh my god, there's a horsey. Hi, horsey. Horsey is not interested. Hi, horsey. I don't think he likes being spoken to like that. I forgot to ask what his name was. I'm sure his name. Bro, the Hanuman Mandir is right here. I asked this rickshaw wala for directions. So many horses. ये pony है. करते हैं. नहीं, ये लोग क्यों है horses? ये क्यों रखे हुए हैं?
ये ऐसे ही.
अच्छा, शादी.
करने के लिए.
Oh, how sweet. Asked the man what these horses do and he said they sing and dance. I mean, I was asking what a horse does, but I was trying to ask what does he do for work, because they are they're not breed. He's not a horse racing horsey. He's a शादी वाला horse. Now where's the mandir? Hanuman Mandir कहाँ है? Now we have to cross. Left. Okay. After we go to the temple, I think I'm going to try to go get some chocolate something. Because chocolate is good for you, that's what everybody said online. And whatever said online, oh my god, the lighting is so good, wow. I need to stop doing such things. So you'll remember we went to buy a foundation. I think that was like, I had a tan when I went to buy it. Bro, where's the mandir? Hanuman Mandir kahan hai? Hanuman Mandir? Okay. Okay, now I know why the rickshaw wala asked me if I wanted the rickshaw. So what was I saying? Yeah, I got the foundation when I had a tad bit of a tan. And now my tan has gone. I think. Good news is I found a shortcut to Mazurin. So I'm going to go to the temple and then come back there. 2 tests will I remember. As I was saying, I may go to Mazurin or to Husni Bakery. That's also nice. Let me ask someone now where. To the temple. So now after this I just have another errand to run, which is find my Nivea steel dabba, which I will find somewhere here in one of the older medical shops. That is the Hanuman Mandir. finished my darshan. Now I'm just looking for an old medical shop. Medical shop is right here. So this is the box I'm talking about. I don't know, I prefer this. I don't know if it's in my head, but I just feel like when I apply it on my face, for my face especially, I prefer this box. Now I'm just gonna get something sweet to eat. So MG Road is a vibe, honest to God. It's a complete vibe. Let me ask her to take pictures for me, wait. Sweetest girl ever. She helped me click pictures. Now I think I'll head home. But I do want something sweet, honest to God. Now I'm walking towards Mazarin to get something sweet, maybe ice cream. Let's see. I love walking around when streets are empty and quiet. And if you walk around in any place in the morning, I feel like you see everybody settling into their routine, and it's so nice to just be an observer. I've realized that being a stranger sometimes is the best thing. You don't know anyone, nobody knows you. Right? Mithai? Do I want mithai or do I want cake? So we made it to the main, this is not the main road, but this is where Mazarin and Budani and everything is. He's taking a nap. I need chocolate. Made it to Mazarin. And it depends on the lighting and the energy. If I feel that the energy is off somewhere in a corner, I need to get up and leave from that table and go to another table. It's not that extreme. I stopped at Mazarin for a brownie. You all can look at this part of the brownie bit in the breakfast video. And now I'm gonna go home. It's booked, so I'm ready to go. I'm just trying to turn this into a takeaway. I met the cutest little girl. I love talking to children because they're so sweet and they give you such innovative answers. I was asking her if she met Santa Claus and she was really happy with all that she received. Okay, now my rickshaw should have reached. 2106.
आपका पेमेंट ऑनलाइन है क्या?
हाँ. That guy didn't want to go because he's like, give me cash, and I'm like, I don't have change, bro. Do I need to put lipstick? I think it's alright. Yes, we got it. So now I'm heading home. I'm so sleepy, guys. Honest to God. Seems like a pattern. I eat and then I get sleepy. It was a constructive day though. I got my Nivea cream chocolate cream. The thing is that I'm not difficult, but there are certain things I want them the way I want them to be, because that gives me peace. And if something gives you peace, then you should just do it. But you should give others also peace. quite empty today for it being a Sunday camp. Maybe I'm only. Oh, I just saw a really cute kurta. So, what are you all doing for Sunday? On a Sunday? Tell me what you all did today. And tell me about your New Year's resolutions, because there are only 29, 30, 31, technically 2 days for New Year's. Tell me what your plans are, tell me everything. कि हम तो सुनने के लिए बैठे हैं ना. This girl who's like a hustler, like a thug. She just came and stood in front of the rickshaw. Oh, they're performing. I feel terrified when I see these small children doing these things. I feel terrified seeing grown-ups do it too. Let me show you all something cool. Never mind, it's gone. How apt. So I don't know if you know this, but I don't know if it's passed yet or not. So camp is an army area, that's why there were a lot of old structures here. There is a new, I want to say this right, but I think that this area is going to start developing really soon. And